Hi, I am Peter Naruka, and in this video I am going to describe you about how to treat acne naturally, treating acne the natural way. There exists an uncountable group of people who have faced the embarrassment of acne and has proven to be one major reason of dwindling confidence to maintain social life. As a result, people focus on getting immediate cure and have fallen in trap of products which promise immediate healing and efficient upshot. Through research, it has been discovered that generally these products contain harmful chemical substances which may be reactive to skin. Therefore, over the years scientists have been brainstorming to hit upon ways to treat acne by using natural ingredients, or at least use herbal products which do not dry skin further. Natural ways of acne treatment have been developed which are easily obtainable. Foremost, it should be clearly understood that acne can never be eradicated, instead it can only be controlled with healthy lifestyle. As acne is resulted due to hormonal variations or unhealthy lifestyle, therefore its treatment includes regulation of its outbreak. Dirt, having unhealthy oily food, or letting dirt accumulate over skin may result in clogging pores and eventually result in pimples and blackheads leading to acne. Consequently, as an effective precaution, it is very indispensable to incorporate the tendency of washing your face every day before going to bed. People who are too tired to wash their face before sleeping usually finds them encircled in a snare of acne and related problems. Especially for oily and greasy skin type, oatmeal is a natural treatment for acne. To make the face pack, all you need is mix 4 tablespoons of oatmeal flour and make its paste with lukewarm water to apply its layer over your face. Don't apply the same over your eyes and leave the face packed for 15 to 20 minutes and then thorough clean your face with ice cold water. You will feel your skin tight with each application and proves to be a very effective treatment for acne. This face pack is effective because it does not engage scrubbing, which in turn spreads the dead cells all over the face and spreads acne further. The next most important step in acne treatment is eating healthy and appropriate food. As for example, if you have curd daily, then your body naturally develops immune system to fight bacterial infection and prevent outbreak of acne. Then drinking the juice extracts from aloe vera is very effectual treatment for acne. It might taste bitter, but it is considered as an effective moisturizer and miraculous remedy for acne. You can even mix 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar with any juice and drink daily. As it is an antioxidant, all acne will clear within 3 days. This will even prevent further breakouts. Even acidic property of citrus fruits like orange, lemon, etc. may be used to prepare a paste and be used as cleanser. It is a proven remedy for clearing blackheads. A paste of fruit peel clears the blackheads completely, and as precaution, do a spot testing of the paste before applying it over the entire face. You can even apply general toothpaste over acne. It is a tried and tested method of drying up the acne. Firstly, apply the paste before sleeping and then repeat its application in the next night, and soon all your acne will disappear. Herbal supplement Golden Glow Capsule is one of the best treatment for acne. It is 100% natural and cause no side effects. Made from selected herbs, which is very good for skin. Buy Golden Glow Capsule from worldwideweb.ayurvedresearchfoundation.com.